Hello and welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Great to have you here. An unboxing today of a watch which is a little bit different from anything else I've got. Now I picked this watch up, as you can see it's an Aragon watch in a sale on their website. I'll put a link down below in the description and you can get this for around $200 or less. Now I got it shipped to the UK, so obviously that incurred some charges. Now this is the Aragon Parma 2, I believe it's called. T-100, something a bit different about this watch for my collection. Well, there's two things. A, it's not a black dial watch because I buy an awful lot of black dials. And B, it has tritium tubes in it as well. So, this is the Aragon. Nice box, actually. Now, I didn't go with the black one. I went with the teal version. I wanted something a bit different. And I wanted a bit of colour in my collection. Oh, I've dropped all that out. That's nice. A bit of padding. Oh, warranty and instructions. I think it's a 2-year warranty on this. I'll have to have a little read of that. Okay, brilliant. But you're not here to see the warranty. Let's get rid of this. Okay. So this is the T-100. Oh, it's a watch, this is. Okay, so what do we got? It's an NH35. From Seiko, and it's a big watch. I believe it's 43mm in diameter, so it's not going to be for anybody with a real small wrist. There's a bit of cover on there. Okay, and there we go. And as I say, I went with this teal colour because I wanted something a little bit poppy, a little bit dressy. Now they do a black, a blue, and a really sort of very green, apple green as well, but I'll put a link into the thingy as well. Same as steel, full build, nicely sealed and wrapped. Let's have a look. And I know everybody wants to see the tritium tubes, but we'll get to that in a minute. Well, okay, this is okay, nicely packaged. Nicely packaged. Oh, there's a little arrow on the back here. Does that mean that will pull off there? Maybe that means it does. Oh, that's good. Little arrow just to help you pull the wrapping off. Fair play. Very heavy watch. So I think it weighs in about 200 grams plus, this one does. It is a 7.5 ounces, I think that is. Now obviously you can get this in the US, you wouldn't pay as much shipping as I did. It is a big watch. It's a thick watch as well, so obviously with those tubes, they have to make it that bit thicker to allow the hands to pass. And that's going to make this, it's 15mm thick. That colour is really striking there, I'll be honest. Right, okay, let's get the last bit of wrapping off here. Oh, he says, try and get it off. Come on. Come on. Yeah, there's no doubt this is nicely wrapped. Oh, come on. So good, I can't get the blooming thing off. Doesn't help I've got no nails. Okay. Oh, Aragon on the clasp as well. Okay, last bit, and we're off. Cool. Screw down crown. Oh, he says knock on the camera. Oh, come focus, there we go. It's because I am in artificial light today. Yeah, it says screw down crown. So, here we go, screw down crown. Oh, pops off there nicely. Obviously there's no date complication with this. Let me get this to the right time. Where are we? We're about there. Give or take. Pop that in. Now there is also lume on the crown as well, which is rather cool. Yep, nice screw down. Oh, you need to give a good push to get it started. Okay, now it's a very simple design. One of the things I liked about it was all about the dial rather than the bezel or anything like that. But wow, that's a heavy watch. Let's pop this off. What we got? 3 holes of micro adjust. Okay, that's good. Oh, nice. Let's just take that little sticker off and you'll be able to see the rotor a bit better. And oh, sorry, there we go. Aragon on the rotor. As I say, NH35. A very industrial watch, shall we say. I suppose the dial kind of flies in the face of that because it's a little bit more dressy. Right, okay, let's try it on wrist. Now I've got an 8-inch wrist. What I've got on today, I've got a Seiko one. I'll put a link to that in the corner. So let me pop this Seiko off. Still need to finish the review on that one. And there we go, that's the teal colour. The dial is really nice. As you can see, I've got the tubes are inlaid. And then we've got this sort of circular track round as well. Brilliant. Right, let's try this on. What's going to be? Oh, it's chunky. This is chunky. Oh, that's not bad at all on my 8-inch wrist. So anything under, you're going to be absolutely fine. Anything over 8-inch, you're going to struggle a little bit. Do like the bracelet. They've just took the edges off on those links. See, there's a little bevel. Oh, that's nice. That is really nice. Now, what I will do is I'll put a little bit of footage up with the tritium tube showing, and that'll be it. Thanks for everybody that has liked and subscribed. Make sure that you subscribe so you can see a review of this watch coming soon, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.